my gallery wall. Actually, I'm not. It was my first time voting actually. I got 2 candles. So I want to get the next 3. But yesterday, I have never heard of any of it. So this is the sketch. So I just got that pegboard and these 2 shelves. I have to like properly decorate. I got 2 candles from Amazon and that candle I already had. And yeah, but I just put out my used palettes. I think I'll put something else over there. And this wall is so chipped. And I can't do anything about it. So मैंने सोचा है I'll just put up some paintings that I create. So this one was one of that. And I just received 2 parcels. So I thought to come here and just unbox it. I've already unboxed one of it, which were for 2 books, which is The Fourth Wing and Iron Flame. The next parcel which I got is of this, which is like alcohol markers. For my bullet journal, मेरे को थोड़ा decorative करना है, तो I got this. So let's see how they are. So these are the markers. Hi, so I'm currently editing this vlog which I'm currently recording as well. I had a few clips, so I'm just putting them together. I actually used this alcohol markers in my sketch, in my bullet journal. It did not work क्योंकि this happened to the page. This was like the front page and this was the back side. This is like 80 GSM only. And I think in order to use the alcohol markers, I need around 100 or 150 GSM. So I won't be able to use that in my bullet journal. So that is quite sad. Also, from my last video, I created like a oil painting, which is actually done. So I'll just show that. So this is the sketch. I have put like a thick layer of color and this is exactly what I wanted, like the raw effect of impressionism, and I'll frame it. I actually showed this in my last video, but I got this frame for the gallery wall. So I'll just frame this like this. This is option 1. Yeah, it's like this. I think I like this one better. I'm gonna go with this one. Yes, I love it. Actually, I am doing a gallery wall here in my painting area, like my art space of the house. So for that, I have bought some frames. This is one of them. It's not actually dried and it came on the glass. So I think I'll have to wait. Okay, I'll do it in 1 or 2 days. How do I clean it? I think I can clean it with turpentine. I'm just messing it. This is fine. I mean, there is still like the shadow, but this will work. Hi, so it's actually a few days later. Now the angle thoda ajeeb hai, but I'm currently reading. I'm like on my final pages of this book, and I think I'll finish it by today. So I just wanted to mention that this is like a 5-star book. I'm not sure if I should continue with this series or should I read something else. Let's see what happens, but I'll finish this today. I'm only like 40 pages left. So yeah, and also today was voting day, so I just voted. It was my first time voting actually. It was not that of like a different experience, but yeah, like a proud feeling of voting. Anyways, I'll just continue with my reading now. So I'm done with the book, and oh god, I love this book. It ends with a mystery, so I mean, I definitely will have to read the next book. The ending, oh god. Like, there are 4 books in this series, and I only have one. So, I want to get the next 3. But yesterday, I just received a package, which I'll show in a bit. But that package has like 15 books, and it's like a mystery box which I ordered from a site. It came on my Instagram ads. I don't know if I should get 3 more books or I should read one of that, but I'll figure that out tomorrow. And that's it for today. So it's the next day, and as I was mentioning yesterday about getting like 15 new books. So this is a package, and it is from a website called Kitabe. This is a mystery box, and what they do is they take our selection of genre and they put together some books which we don't know. We directly receive them, and I ordered like set of 15 books, and they are like medium size, not very large. So this is the package. My selection of genre was mystery and thriller. Then there was fiction, and the third one was rom-com. So these 3 are the types of books that I generally read. I also read non-fiction, but I was not in the mood of that. So let's open this box and let's see what's in this. So I have decided on putting a break on the Inheritance game series, and I'll be reading something from this set. Also, I'm going to be traveling tomorrow. Not like traveling, more of like a car ride of 3 or 4 hours. So I want to pick something for my ride. My last 2 books were mystery thrillers, so this time I think I'll go for somewhat of a light read. Let's see what all are the options. Also, by looking at these books, I have never heard of any of it. This makes me feel like I am so much of a beginner in the reading world. There is this app that I used in order to look for books or like the rating of how the book is. So this app is called Goodreads. I saw this book, Kiss Heaven Goodbye. It has like 3.9 rating. So I am thinking of reading this, either this or this one, which is Lovers and Liars. Or this also has like 4.6 rating. So I think I'll read this one, and this one I'll put for the next time. Also, I've never tried like letting someone else decide my next read. Let's see how it turns out. On to my next book. Also, the painting that I made in my last vlog has finally dried. I'm going to be framing this one, and it looks something like this. Other day when I was trying to frame this one and remove the mirror, I did this to the... But I think it won't be that visible in the... once the painting is hung up. Yeah, so this is how it is looking. And it will be the first painting on my gallery wall. Actually, I'm not sure how I'm going to put them up, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. But this is it. So that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, consider hitting the like button, and if you enjoy my content, consider subscribing to this channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.